Hello and welcome to English Company. Learn English conversation with Alex and Maria. Today we have something very interesting. Now, people usually get confused or perplexed when they ask for help. So today we'll learn how to ask for help politely. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe and follow us to learn English. Hey Maria, sometimes I find it hard to ask for help. Do you have any tips on how to do it politely? Of course, Alex. Asking for help can be difficult, but it's important to do it politely. Start with a polite opener like excuse me or could you please. For example, excuse me, could you help me with this? That sounds good. What if I need to explain what I need help with? Okay, be clear and specific about what you need. For instance, I'm having trouble understanding this math problem. Could you please explain it to me? This way, the person knows exactly how they can help you. Okay, got it. How should I express gratitude when asking for help? Oh, always show appreciation, both when asking and after receiving help. You can say, I'll really appreciate if you could help me, or thank you so much for your assistance. For example, I'd really appreciate if you could review my essay. Thank you so much. That makes sense. What if I'm interrupting someone who looks busy? It's important to be considerate. You could say, I'm sorry to bother you, but I need some help with this project. Could you assist me when you have a moment? This shows that you recognize they are busy and you are respectful of their time. That's really helpful. Can you give me a full example? Sure. Here's a complete request. Excuse me, Maria. I am having trouble with this computer program. Could you please show me how to use it? I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much. That's perfect, Maria. I feel more confident about asking for help now. You're welcome, Alex. Just remember to be polite, specific, and grateful. People are usually happy to help you when you ask nicely. Don't forget to subscribe English Company. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.